Hey everyone. Just making a delicious Christmas flat white. So this is a drink that we offer on our bars, usually in winter. Basically, we wanted to create something that combines two of our favorite things, coffee and tea. So we work with our tea partners, Paper and Tea, with their beautiful Cedarburg chai, which is a rooibos-based chai with so many spices. It's got coriander, cloves, fennel, licorice root. It's super spicy, very wintry and warm. It tastes like a gingerbread, basically. And we basically combine this with coffee and an espresso shot, if you can see in there. So we're using 15 grams of ground coffee, like exactly how you grind for espresso, and mixing in 3 grams of chai, of the Cedarburg chai in the shot, and then tamping it and pulling it like a normal espresso, and then making a flat white with it. And the result is something like, it tastes like gingerbread, basically. Super spicy, super warm. It's a perfect drink for winter, basically. I've made this one with oat milk, but you can use any milk. It works super nice with oat milk though, I think. We're selling this at the moment on our web shop as a box, in a craft box. You get the Christmas coffee, which is also the coffee I use, the Cedarburg chai, and you get the recipe. It's super easy. All you need is the coffee, the chai, and an espresso machine, obviously, and some milk of your choice. Thanks, cool, check it out.